Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves into the captivating world of CISSUS Discolor, a unique plant with a story rooted in tropical regions. Originating from Southeast Asia, this ornamental vine is recognized for its distinctive foliage. CISSUS Discolor earns its name for its striking contrast and coloration of its leaves. This ornamental vine displays heart-shaped leaves featuring an intricate mix of deep greens, silver hues, and burgundy markings. This unique coloration and shape of its leaves makes CISSUS Discolor a visually striking addition to indoor spaces. To thrive, CISSUS Discolor prefers well-draining soil, indirect light, and moderate humidity. It adapts well to indoor environments, making it an excellent choice for homes and offices. Regular watering and occasional pruning help maintain its vibrant appearance. For companion planting, consider pairing CISSUS Discolor with other tropical plants that share similar light and water requirements. This creates a harmonious indoor jungle and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your green space. While primarily grown for its ornamental value, CISSUS Discolor contributes to indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. Its vibrant foliage makes it an ideal choice for hanging baskets or as a trailing accent, adding a touch of tropical charm to your interior. Its unique leaf coloration and adaptable nature make it a cherished choice among plant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into this fascinating world of plants. Until next time, may your indoor garden thrive, and may CISSUS Discolor bring a burst of color to your botanical journey. Farewell and happy gardening.